Okay, so here we are. Now we're getting real. My tire was flat. I started to fill it up already. And then I realized, hey, I should video this. I'm gonna look like I know how to do all kinds of things. This is stuff that all my sons used to do for me. Now I don't have my little army of boys. And I've had to learn how to become a little more self-sufficient. Okay, maybe that's good. And then we're gonna, so this is something, I forgot, this is something I have to do every time. And I don't know if the sound is working on this because I have hooked up my Bluetooth to listen to it while I'm mowing. So if not, we won't include this. And this one is always, oh yeah, this one is on this side. I really don't have a very glamorous life, guys. This is real. This is real Kim. And I really don't ever know how much to put in. I just put it in until it's not flat on the ground. And maybe this one needed a little bit more. See, this one is hard to get to. I really should pull it forward, but I'm too lazy. And I'm really quite scared to get, I got stung by a wasp or a hornet last Tuesday, and it took me out from doing a lot of stuff all week. Today was my first day that I went running after the sting. Did okay though. All right, so here we go. Bye-bye. I should be good now.